giving everybody out there a great big hello.
Hello.
Very nice. Yellow-named Amazon parrots are naturally found in the forests of Central America. Now, Groucho, he's lived with people his whole life, so we slowly take mimicry to a whole new level. Let's see if he's ready to show you what I mean. Are you ready, buddy? Here we go.
Hello.
Yeah, you did that already. Let's go. Keep going. Keep going. He knows the lyrics to 7 different songs.
No way.
Yes way. Yeah, y'all want to hear another song?
Yeah.
Thought so. You know, buddy, they're being a really good audience. How about you give everybody out there a great big kiss? Good stuff, that kiss. I agree. All right, Groucho. They know you know 7 songs. You've already put one. You, sir, can choose from any of the other 6. It's your choice. Whatever you want. Okay? Here we go. Keep going. That was a good start. Here we go. Okay, you got to get a little further than that. Okay, here we go. Let's try it again. You can do it. The whole thing. The whole thing. Yeah.